thirsty.
Hey y'all, Mississippi Madness back with another video.
Hey guys.
This is Digital Dixie, aka Lizzie.
Me.
Today
Ew.
we are going to be doing the slime games. Let me get up and show y'all this box.
Turn my around. Why is it blue?
It's not supposed to be blue. These are the slime games.
10 epic events. Includes 14 ounces of safe oozy gooey slime. I can't even read, which I'm trying to read it backwards on the screen. So yeah, we have got.
Nothing about this is safe, y'all.
Yeah, Lizzie says nothing about it's safe. We have slime hockey. We have slime hoops. We have slime gymnastics. We have slime curling. Slime pong.
That's not 10.
Tug of war.
Like 5.
Slot put.
Oh.
Slime ball. Synchronized sliming. Slime long jump.
Oh, that's what makes it 10.
So,
okay.
I've not opened this. This is the first time I'm opening it, so I don't know what we're going to find.
Where are the towels?
We don't have any towels.
Yeah.
Okay,
I broke the box.
I didn't open the wrong side. Okay, anyway.
Just dump it.
Here we go. Alright.
If there's a box for all of us, I want it.
Instructions.
We don't read it.
Instructions. Instructions.
A blue cup. An orange cup.
I got orange.
A target.
What's in here?
2 targets, actually. I'm never going to have to open it. And the targets are a little bit bent, so we got to straighten them out some. So anyway, yeah, there's the target. I'm not going to see that because there's a glare for some reason. Or it's not. Okay, y'all, that was interesting.
Yeah.
Was using Tin Man's camera, and apparently we haven't charged the battery. Even amateur YouTubers know that you're supposed to make sure the battery's charged.
YouTubers in general.
Yeah. Anybody? Yeah, anybody? Well, we didn't do that, so, yeah, so we're catching up where the thing left off.
Why is it hard?
So, because I drove a car. We got our targets. We got our slime. We have our instructions. We have our cups. There's stuff in the cup, so we are now going to open the cups and see what's in the cups.
I'm curious. I'm a curious YouTuber, so let's just say.
Oh, I forgot there's one other thing down here.
Ow! Ew!
These little thingamabob digs. I don't
They're
know what these are for.
They're the little platform things. Like
Little platform things?
Oh, let me see. Okay, these. See what these are. Look.
Oh, gotcha. It ranges in numbers from 5.
Yeah.
I think it goes from 5 to 10 to 15 to 20.
Yeah, they just have them backwards right here, and they just have the number showing to show what it looks like on the top. And
Okay, let's see what's in our cups.
Wait a minute. That's not right. Pause. Is there something else in there like this here?
Nope.
Look at that. That's not the same color.
It's not the same color. Yeah, it's fine. I don't
Is
know why they
that
do
the
that.
same thing,
She's
or-
like, the pictures are on the thing. They're not the same color as the
So
cards.
that's not the same color, is it?
Yes, it's the same cards. They're just a different color.
Oh.
Okay, I'm going to read this. It's time for slime. Whether you make your own slime or use our safety-tested slime, this game answers the question.
I've got all this slime. Now what do I do with it? From slime hockey to synchronized sliming, this game includes 10 epic events.
Okay, let's open our slime. Opening slime. For the first time.
And it comes in resealable pouches, y'all.
Ah, okay. It's like it doesn't want you to open. That's what you're supposed to do. Now.
Oh. It's blue.
Nope, it's green.
Somebody got sneezed in it.
It does look like when I sneezed in it.
You gotta be
Can you
kidding
get
me.
it?
No.
Alright, hold on.
Wait. Oh, it's sharp.
She's being retarded,
No,
y'all.
that thing is sharp.
Ooh, blue slime.
Oh my.
We got our slime. Girl slime.
Okay, there's a couple of little pieces left down there, but I'm not going to worry about them.
How do you just get it up?
Well,
I'm trying. It's sticky to the
while she's trying to figure out how to get her slime
If I
out.
get this on my brain, I'm gonna be angry. I'm gonna turn into the Hulk.
Okay,
Are you freaking kidding me?
as I've said, there are 10 events.
Are you freaking kidding me?
But, so this thing is not, this video is not 4 hours long. We're going to pick out,
3 each.
no, we're going to do 3 events.
That's what I'm talking about. I want to do 3 each.
Not 3 each, 3 together. Okay,
Oh, whatever. I think I got
it
it.
tells you the
I'm
game.
not getting the rest of it.
This one's moving off the table. It tells you the game, each game, instructions. There's
Look, this on my seat.
there, and it's in the back also.
I gotta put
So,
some inside. I got it. I want it.
This is for ages 5 plus.
Mom.
Okay, baby, I know. It's fine.
I don't
So
like
we are okay. I'm a little bit over 5 years old. Liz is a little bit over 5 years old.
I don't really care.
So okay. Okay, we're gonna take synchronized slime. Collect the most cards and score the most points. Put in the slime cards. Place the slime card beside the slime game face up. Grab the slime for slide bag to stretch your slime form string. String up your load at the height of the slime game spot. Show the player shouts. Game, slime games, and play games. Put one in your slime. String, flick the wrist at the other end of the slime string goes out toward the cards, just like rocket slime at the tongue. Your slime lands on the card, look back. Move the card to the other hand. Place the card off to the side and continue flicking. Flick, 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 flick. Okay. Your slime breaks. You rebuild it. Continue flicking until the card is collected. Score. Each player earns a total of the point. Earns a total of the point. Okay, y'all. I feel like I'm stroking here. It says each player earns the total of the point shown on the back of the card. Take the card of the things of instead. So I think we're gonna do that. Okay. Hold the card. Lemon slime hockey. Okay, we're gonna do tug of war.
Look, it's
slime.
Look, it's so like so
Okay.
Look, I know. Once you get it on the table, I was like, it was like weird looking, and I was like, what was moving? Now I have a fingerprint inside it. Okay.
Okay, split slime into 2 parts. Roll each pile of slime into a short, thick slime string. Anyone in the slime, as long as the slime has the same thickness as in one end of the slime string to your opponent. All the slime says tables. Gently circle the slime toward you while you the same. Continue pulling slime until it breaks. Measure the card each time player got, like as to the mix of contestants. The player from each round who told you the longest string of slime earns 50 points. Round it. Okay, that's synchronized sliming. Tug of war. Okay, let's see. How slowly they break the player's slime. Stretch across the cup. Yeah. Slime currently rolls also lands as close as possible to the target. One target on the ball with card. You're gonna have video. Two cups on the ball. Basic cups on the table. Each card from your mixture. Slime stretching 2 cups. Your player's slot. Okay, here's the time to go to the ball slime. You get tails and slime cover your ball. Tails get slow. It's very slow. Cover ball. Tails slime roll. Tails slime cover ball. And tails for target. For the number of points. Players roll the points. Players roll the points. It's supposed to just go to the player. Okay, we're just gonna do a couple of these. Okay, I've wasted enough y'all's time. Alright, synchronized sliming event. Okay, this is where we have to get everything off the table. Because we're gonna be standing back there. So we can slap our slime. Yeah, we have to. We have to. Because we gotta spread these cards out.
I'm gonna get inside on my couch. I'm gonna
You're not gonna get slime on your couch. You'll be fine.
I'm not getting anything on this couch because I'm not cleaning it if I do.
She's such a baby. I'm not getting no slime
You better
on your
not.
couch.
You better not. I mean it.
Okay, y'all, the object of this game, these are the cards that have 5, 10, 15, and 20 on them. And we have to sling our slime. It says take just a piece of slime, so we're getting a piece of slime. Doesn't matter how much, you just have to make a string out of it. Yeah, like that.
I thought you got on my nail.
Alright, so we're making our like our frog tongue. That's what I want to call it. It's a frog tongue. And let's see how
It's
well
under
this
my
works.
nail. Ew. Can you not? Can you not?
I just want to play with the slime, y'all. This is fun.
I'm gonna throw this at you.
She's so mean to me.
I'm mean. Everybody knows that.
She's very mean.
I mean, everybody in my family knows how evil I am.
Okay, let's do this. So we're gonna have to stand up, y'all.
Daddy! Wait, what?
You gotta make a.
What
Just set it on the table over there. Like I put mine.
Is it gonna pan out?
Okay.
No, it's gonna pan out and then it's gonna get on the
It's
side.
not gonna
Mine's
Hey, this is my string,
I'm trying.
and it says to take your string, stand away from the thing, take your string, and,
Girl?
and flick it. There's one for me.
It's all my coffee. Get it out, get it out, get it out, get it out, get it out.
Lizzie almost had one. There she goes. Okay, y'all. This.
Wait, really? Oh, okay. Okay. Dude, cheater!
Ah, there we go.
Woohoo! What?
Oh, I got one. I got 2.
Catapult it down! Catapult it to the couch. Where'd it go?
Oh my God, y'all look at this. Okay, this is not doing very well.
Where'd it go?
Where'd what go?
My card. It flipped
There's one right there.
Wait, that's not it. Oh, wait, yes it is. Duh.
Yeah, this is not working out so well. Okay,
Hate you, Amanda.
so
I
we're
hate
gonna
you.
sit down at the table.
Yeah, cause if we. Oh, watch my spike. Do not knock
Hey,
it
I got grass in my slime.
over. Please tell me you didn't do it on the floor.
No, it's not on the floor. Why are you? She's just a
Mama.
warrior. Okay, so
Yeah.
now I guess what we're gonna try to do is
Mine
just do it
messed
from
up
sitting at the
again.
table, cause it's not
How
very.
do you do you? But it keeps like.
And it's not. It's supposed to stick to the cards.
There's one under your foot.
I know. But it's not really sticking to the cards.
So, I don't know.
So like this.
Well, that's cheating.
No, it's not.
So yeah, we're just gonna do Lizzie's way and cheat.
We're not cheating.
I just did you get it? I went smack. Look, it landed on my. Really? Don't. Dude, excuse
Okay,
me.
wait a minute. Let me see. How many cards was it? Did it say how many cards there were?
Ranging from 5 to
32
25.
game cards. Okay, how many do you have?
11, 12.
Okay, wait a minute. You have 12.
I think I'm 12.
I have 11, so let me pick one more.
Are we
Okay,
like
now,
first line?
here's which slime down. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 left. Okay, so pick 4 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we're just going to do it that way because the slime's not really working well. I know this is the slime games, but it's just not working. So,
I was trying to do it.
okay, so we got to tally up our cards. And I didn't bring a pen or a piece of paper, y'all.
I can do it.
Smoke it! Smoke it! Hey!
Where's your phone?
On the counter.
Shut up, Amanda. I'm always smart. I go to school.
Ooh! What you doing that, y'all? What's that right now? Let's see. One slime target, 2 balls. One slime target, 2 balls. Cover one ball slime. Okay, we're going to cover a ball slime.
160.
I have 165.
I hate you.
Oh yeah, I'm the best!
Okay, one more game, y'all, because these are kind of slow. Okay, we're going to put our targets on the table, it says.
Okay, I'm keeping the phone over here just in case we need it.
Okay, we're going to put the slime targets on the table.
Where's mine?
Okay, look there already.
Okay.
Get you
I
one
thought that
ball.
was yours. I thought that was yours. You said
Get you one ball.
We don't need the cards, do we?
No. You
Ow.
need just one ball, and you're going to cover it in slime.
And just like that, cover the ball with slime.
Take it out, take it out.
A whole lot to do it.
Get off, get off, get off. Excuse
Okay,
me.
y'all, this is kind of fun.
This is not because mine did not work out. Get off of my wrist. Get off of my wrist.
I'm going to cover mine. I think I got a little too much slime. So we're going to put this slime back in there. And then we're going to take this slime,
Cover.
and we're going to try to flatten it out some so I can put my ball in there.
Oh man. See, mine's not working at all.
Mine's not either.
This is good.
Just cover it as good as you can, because that's what I'm doing. I'm not even worried. Don't even care anymore. Okay, now,
Where's your phone?
yeah, the ball guide. Make a tail from the slime covering your ball. The tail must be at least as long. We're not going to do that because the tail doesn't really work. What we're going to
Here we
do
go.
is
Pocket.
just,
It's a pocket.
what we're going to do is just throw it, kind of.
Ew.
Throw the ball at the target.
What is that?
I have no idea. It was something white on the table.
Where's my
We don't have any more.
I'm gonna wash it up from the sink.
She is such a big baby, y'all. Okay, y'all. Okay, our balls are covered in slime. It says to make a tail from it, but as y'all saw earlier, the tail does not really work. So we've got our 2 targets laid out down there.
Never mind, I got it. There we go.
Okay, now we're just going to throw the ball and land on the target. We're going to do 5 throws. And we're going to tally up the score that we hit. The 5 scores.
Mine didn't even hit.
100. Go ahead, close it to. 1. Ah! Hey, you got it out! Another 50, 150. 100. 250.
I have 50s and 250. No, I have 2 50s, 175, and
100.
I don't want to answer.
They did like 2.
Wait, no, let me do it now. Because I messed up.
I did 2. Here we go. Go down 1. 25.
100. 25, 100. 75. 75.
Okay.
25. 25.
That's not for you. Did you got them up? Yeah. Do you remember what you got? I had 175 is what I got. How much I scored? I think you had, like, I think it's 25, like 4 times. Like 3 times. 75, got 175. And I think you got a 50. So you had 225. You beat me on that one. So we are tied, y'all. Okay. We're going to do a tiebreaker. Okay, wait, get your ball out, because we're going to roll to break the tie.
Bug.
Ew, it's all over the ball.
Alright, this is what we're going to do, actually. Put your ball up.
That's not really.
Yeah, put your ball back up.
Thank you.
This is going to be the tiebreaker, y'all.
Girl, what are you doing?
Move your slime.
I don't love you.
Alright, you get your target up, too. Okay, y'all, to break the tie, we are each going to pick 5 cards.
You have to use your phone?
Yes.
I hate you. Whatever.
Just make a small ball out of it. Then we're going to throw it.
Don't throw. You better be glad that
And
didn't land on my
whatever it hits is you get. So there's my first one. 2, 3,
2,
4, 5. You got it, 5? Alright. Count them up. See who wins.
10.
Yes. You won. You won already. 20, 30,
12.
45, 60. I had 45, y'all. She had 60.
Thank you, Lord.
Okay.
Nah, 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 nah,
Anyways, y'all, that's the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I am trying to convince either Lizzie here or Tin Man to do the Bean Boozled challenge with me.
I'm still not doing it.
So, what I need y'all to do, I need y'all to like this video. I need y'all to share it with your family. And I need y'all to comment down in the comments. Blow the comments up with who you want to play the Bean Boozled challenge with me. Either Lizzie or Tin Man. Whoever gets the most votes is the one that's going to do it with me. Whether they like it or not. Because I want to do it. And they're not willing to.
Can I say something?
So I'm making them do it.
Yes. However many likes this gets. Fine. I want y'all to do something for me. This is on behalf of my channel and hers. If this video gets 100 likes, I'll do it.
Okay, y'all, you heard her.
100 likes, I'll do it.
So y'all have got to go show this, share this.
If it gets 20 likes, my dad has to do it. We won't tell him.
Okay, y'all.
But he has to do it. If I get 100,
Y'all
I'll do
hear
it.
her.
If he gets 20, he has to do it.
Y'all
No
hear
matter
her. Alright, y'all. Anyway, that's it for this video. Please subscribe, share, like this video, share it with your friends and family. I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.
Bye.
Cause a Mississippi girl